The topic we're going to discuss is unbundled legal services. Bruce Springsteen has a line in one of his famous songs that goes something like this. Times were tough and love was not enough, and she said, sorry Johnny, I'm gone, gone, gone. Well, times are tough, and even if you're not suffering from the economic downturn, we all at times hit economic downturns in our lives. And when that happens, we see in marital relationships discontent, separation, and divorce. Now, what's the result of our economic downturn? More and more people are representing themselves pro se in litigation. Pro se means, in essence, that you represent yourself without the services of an attorney. Now, what are unbundled legal services? The easiest way to view this is if you think of an attorney representing you from the beginning of the case to the end as one big bundle of services. In this bundle are initial consultation, drafting pleadings, appearing at court hearings, appearing at depositions, assisting you at mediation, settlement conferences, preparing you for trial, preparing you for anything else that happens in your case, and finally representing you at the final hearing. What unbundled legal services is a concept that says instead of one bundle, we are taking off the wrappings around this bundle so you have all kinds of components that are free. And what that means is that attorneys where unbundled legal services have been approved may represent individuals piecemeal. In other words, attorneys may only draft a pleading for you, or they may appear at an important deposition, either for an expert or to assist you in your deposition if it's being taken. Or they can appear at a particular hearing that you think is important. Or they can just coach you or consult with you as the case goes on. Now, there are obvious benefits from this. The first and foremost is it reduces the cost of legal assistance, number one. Number two, it keeps you in control of not only the costs, but when you want an attorney to become involved. Three, it forces you to settle as much as you can, and in that fashion you control your destiny rather than placing it in the hands of a judge. And then finally, what it does is it permits you to have the availability of legal talent from a number of people if and when you need it. For instance, you may know of an attorney who's an expert in custody, or you may go to another attorney who's an expert on marital assets and liabilities. So those are all the advantages. Always remember, you're generally only going to get divorced once in your life. So if you're going to use unbundled legal services, please consult or obtain the services of an experienced board-certified marital and family lawyer.